The definition of consumer rights is the right to have information about the quality, potency, quantity, purity, price, and standard of goods and services. As it may be the case, but the consumer is to be protected against any unfair practices of trade. It is very essential for the consumers to know these rights. World Consumer Rights Day. World Consumer Rights Day marks 15th March with the consumer movement every year as a means of raising global awareness about consumer rights and needs. Celebrating the day is a chance to demand that the rights of all consumers are respected and protected, and to protest against the market abuses and social injustice which undermine those rights. World Consumer Rights Day was inspired by the President John F. Kennedy, who sent a special message to the US Congress on 15th March 1962, in which he formally addressed the issue of consumer rights. What happened? Why are you guys very sad?
Nothing. Our man gave us a project about consumer rights, but we don't know much about it.
Can you guys explain about the consumer rights?
Yes, we will explain you about consumer rights.
We will now explain about the right to consumer education and right to choose. Right to consumer education is the preparation of an individual to be capable of making informed decisions when it comes to purchasing products in a consumer culture. It generally covers various consumer goods and services prices that the consumer can expect, standard trade practices, etc. While consumer education can help consumers to make more informed decisions, some researchers have found that its effects can drop off over time, suggesting the need of continual education. New dimensions of consumer education are also beginning to emerge as people became more aware of the need for ethical consumerism and sustainable consumer behavior in our increasingly globalized society.
Right to choose. The consumer has a right to be assured wherever possible of access to variety of goods, services at a competitive price. In case of monopolies, it means to be assured of satisfactory quality and service at a fair price. It also includes rights to basic needs and services. For example, you are going to a shop, you are willing to buy a washing machine, but the worker intend you to buy another one which is a old one and low in price. You have the full rights to choose and ask what you want. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Now I will explain you about right to a healthy environment and right to satisfaction of basic needs. Everyone has the right to an adequate environment. An adequate environment is considered a precondition for the realization of other human rights, including rights to life, food, health, and adequate standard of living. Everyone should be able to live in an environment for their health and well-being. Environmental rights are an extension of the basic human rights that mankind requires and deserves. In addition to having the right to food, clean water, suitable shelter, and education, having a safe and sustainable environment is paramount as all other rights are dependent upon it. Right to a healthy environment. Businesses should avoid polluting the environment and should contribute to the welfare of the community in which they operate. Responsibility to contribute to a healthy environment. Consumers should support businesses that operate responsibly and report environmental abuses to authorities.
The right to satisfaction of a basic needs. Every consumer has the access the basic goods and services necessary for survival, such as food, water, energy, clothes, shelter, healthcare, education. Goods and services must meet the standards of quality promised, such they are in the value for money, in needed, These are the things many of us take for granted, but believe it or not, there are the consumers who don't have the satisfaction of basic needs.
Now I will explain about right to safety and right to inform. Right to safety. Right to safety means right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services which are hazardous to life and property. The purchased goods and services availed for or should not only meet their immediate needs.
Right to be informed means right to be informed about the quality, quantity, purity, standard, and price of goods so as to protect the consumer against unfair trade practices. Consumers should insist on getting all the information about the product or service before making a choice or a decision. This enables him to act wisely and responsibly, and also enables him to desist from falling prey to high pressure selling techniques.
Oh, we got the topic well, and we'll present our script.
Thanks to all.